We were about to office space this chair.
Yeah, we were planning to burn it, guys. But if it does break again, there will be a video of me lighting this chair on fire. So, you think I'm joking?
No. What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Timers House Projects playlist.
Yeah. So obviously you guys might remember we both got ourselves some gaming chairs. So gaming seats, racing seat gaming chairs, who knows how they call them, but anyway, we got them from a company called Sevenwolfs out of El Monte, California. So pretty much they've been pretty good. Hiro's, obviously loves his to death. He uses his every day. Me, on the other hand,
That's
weight was probably the biggest concern. But there was an area on here that the welds weren't particularly that good. But overall, it is here. We have the welder. I know most people aren't going to have a welder at home to fix their seat if something happens like this.
Yeah.
But we kind of wanted to showcase what we were going to be doing to fix it. Obviously, for me, if I was buying a chair again, I don't know if I would rebuy this particular one at $100.
It's probably not $100 anyways.
Yeah,
anymore.
I kind of see the prices; they kind of fluctuate. But overall, I know Hiro loves his. So we're both on different spectrums of it. It is very comfortable. I still bought a seat cushion. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out, upper left-hand corner. But yeah, let's jump into looking at the bottom of this thing and getting it taken apart.
So just so you guys know, we're not going to go through the how we fully assembled this whole chair and how we welded it and fixed it, but just to kind of give you an opinion and if it was something that is doable or worth doing. But right now we are unscrewing the screws on the sides of the arms as well as the backrest, so I can actually pull the seat out when Hiro's done pulling out the screw. Right now we had already removed one armrest and Hiro's just removing the other one, so he's just removing the one screw from the actual seat and then one screw from the actual backrest. Now we did remove the 4 screws that actually held the bottom piece in. Now to kind of show you what's going on, you can kind of see that there's like a shiny piece of metal around the actual base here. That's actually where it's fully cracking off. So we're going to see if we can actually weld it. You can kind of see that it's dented in on one side, so it does lean. Now if I tried to lean back, it would physically lean all the way back on its own without having the ability to stop. Now the issue that we did have, we were trying to pull off the whole pump assembly, or the shock I should say, and as we were trying to pull it off, it just was not coming out like it should. We tried to torch it, heat it, all that fun stuff, and it did not want to come off. We ended up breaking off the little lever that actually adjusts the shock up and down. But yeah, that's something that happens. I'm pretty sure, again, if we would have probably spent maybe $200 on the gaming chair, you probably wouldn't have had to worry about this, but you can, like I said, you could really see that we were trying to get this thing off, hammering it and all that good stuff. We actually made a little more damage on the piece, so we just said, screw it, we're gonna weld it all together. So we just pretty much started welding around the base and got it to lock in. Yeah, so like I said, we had some fun with this. It just took some time.
How does it feel, Alvin?
I'll put it in before. It's not bent. I don't hear a noise now.
Yeah.
Metal's not popping. Made it really solid.
So we were gonna scrap this chair, guys, but we were like, if we're gonna scrap it, might as well just try welding it.
Something different.
Yep. And then, since this thing broke off, we can't adjust it anymore, so that's that.
Yeah. Maybe I could jam the screwdriver, through the hole.
Yeah, so it doesn't engage it.
Yeah, guys, you're seeing us at our lowest of the low. We're being budget gamers right now. So $100 chair broke on us, on me anyway. Broke on me.
Or haven't broke on me yet.
Yeah, he's still good. His chair's fine, and we pretty much used car tools, welding, to fix this. So we had to use the welder, we had to lighten it up.
Because we're doing this in kind of nighttime,
So we welded, boom, boom, Now we're back. At least I have a back thing that semi-works. So at least that looks good. Locks in. I can sit up straight again. And go back down again.
Nice, dude.
Yeah,
We were about to office space this chair.
yeah, we were planning to burn it, guys. But if it does break again, there will be a video of me lighting this chair on fire. So, you think I'm joking?
No.
There is gonna be a little bonfire in my backyard, unfortunately, and yeah, it'll be on fire. Got that. Got my seat pad that I'll be able to throw back on there.
Nice.
Okay, so we're gonna give this a round 2. My thumb is midway right now. It's midway. Obviously,
My thumb is up.
his thumb is still up for his.
No, I mean for
But
the fact that we fixed it.
Mine is leaning down. It is leaning down.
Knock it out.
So we're gonna see how this does. But like I said, if something else breaks on this, we are gonna burn this chair. We're gonna burn it. We're gonna burn it alive.
But I gotta say, I mean,
It is comfortable.
no, the weld.
Yeah.
I feel like we like doubled the layers of welds. Like it already felt stiff right away, right when we did the first layer, and then Alvin finished it off with another layer. It's just, why didn't they do that to begin with?
Yeah. Well, what I'm wondering also is maybe they had their tank wasn't full, and maybe they ran out of the gas.
They had someone like me welding, some noob.
But yeah, anyway, guys.
All right.
Well, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
If you love this content,
Make sure to smash that like.
smash that like. Also hit that subscribe. We'll be doing some more, obviously, gaming. Me and Hiro have been playing Battlefront, as well as I've been playing Call of Duty with Raphael and Joker.
And other people
Yeah,
online, ET and
yeah.
all that. Yeah.
So
What's
that's
up?
been, yeah, that's been amazing. And yeah, we have car projects coming along. Hero's alignment. We got the finish off of the video of the El Camino coming out.
Yeah.
We'll also be changing some carburetor parts on the Elko as well.
Nice.
So we have a lot of fun stuff coming up, and then eventually I'm going to show you my rig of my PC with my 3 new monitors.
Oh damn.
I only have 2 right now of the 3. Had some issues.
Going through some
We
grief.
won't talk about that. Because if I could burn those monitors, I would probably burn one of them. But
What's up with him and burning
yeah,
stuff?
no, well, that's just my mindset right now, guys. Dang it.
Throw some water
yeah.
on it. Cool it down.
Cool it down, I know. But anyway, guys,
All right.
thanks for watching. Subscribe, like,
Peace.
description, follow us, Facebook,
Facebook and Instagram. Follow us.
Woo!